Once upon a time, many years ago, there was a big land called India. In this land, people of different religions lived together. Among them were Muslims and Hindus. But as time passed, Muslims felt that they needed a separate homeland where they could live freely and follow their own religion, culture, and traditions. A great leader named Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah rose with a dream. He said, "We want Pakistan." Pakistan means the land of the pure. The Muslims supported him with their hearts. They believed that with Pakistan, they would have freedom, schools, justice, and their own flag. The journey was not easy. There were many struggles, marches, and sacrifices. People prayed day and night for their dream to come true. And finally, on August 14, 1947, a new country was born. This new country was called Pakistan. Children celebrated with green flags, elders cried with happiness, and people thanked Allah for this gift. Pakistan became a place where Muslims could live freely, go to mosques, and build their future. Since then, Pakistan has grown with courage. Its people work hard in schools, farms, and offices. Our soldiers protect the borders, our teachers guide the children, and our farmers grow food for the nation. Dear kids, Pakistan is not just a country. It is our home, and home must always be loved and protected. As Quaid-e-Azam said, work, work, and success will be yours. So remember, Pakistan was made with sacrifices, and now it is our duty to study well, be kind, and make Pakistan shine in the world.